Hi guys, today we're going to talk about S&P 500, how things look like. Last session S&P was 1.54% down, when 91 point down. Like currently it is at 5827, and if you see in the 5 days trend, the higher was 6,000. From 6,000 has been down around 3.19% S&P. Where YTD, if you see, is still 1.29. Like this year, in like 10 days, the S&P has not given any return. So how things going to look like from here? So what could be the next coming month? What we can expect? We see the sector wise the last session, like only the energy sector was performed little bit, but not very much, but little bit. Where the health sectors and these are the sectors, like if you see in a month, like only the communication sector given return. Rest in a month, like real estate, material consumption, and financial sectors are not giving any return. And IT was also like in a last session, IT was like down by 2.23, and it's like in a month like 3.42 is down. Well, if you see the ETF, I'm going to share with you the ETF of all the sector wise, like what are the sectors um, I do the tracking and all. So the if you see the currently the ETF of gold, like gold ETF, so we can see the gold ETF how is performing. So so gold ETF like you see the gold ETF like it's going up. So this I think this is one of the right time for the investment of a gold. If anybody want to invest in a gold, because if you compare it with the S&P 500, the S&P 500 going down where the gold is going up. We're same with the silver. If you see the silver is also in a good trend line. If you see it's going up and it already intersecting is 200 moving average. As going up, the RSI is also going up. It is straightly indicating that silver and gold is the right time for the investment. So if you see the gold had given a return in month and where all the other sectors are not giving any kind of return, where gold and silver is quite positive, where only Bitcoin also not giving any return. The last session was like last session, if you see Japan, US financial was very much down, and then US financial service is down, and then technology was down, home construction technology, industries. So if you in a month, all the ETF, all the sectors in the US market was down, other than like only gold and silver was a little bit up. Just all the sectors are down. In YTD basis also, like home constructions, financials, US financials, and here large cap stocks are down, and all like large cap growths are all down. Where silver given 4.86% return in YTD in 10 days, and gold had given a return 2.51, and healthcare slightly there is a return in the healthcare. If you want to track, look for a healthcare, like healthcare might be giving this year might give a good return. So that's for, and if you want to see, if you will see how things going up, like what could be that. So if you see here, generally it was trading in this box, and from the high of 6,000 on 6 December, again it goes down. It has going down around, it is going to touch around 5820, and this is 100 days moving average. So already going to touch the 100-day moving average. That is indicating that the market, I think there's a very hard, we can say that there's a recovery in the market. I don't look forward for any kind of recovery in the market. So there's a more coming up is like there's a more chance that market is going to be in a negative swing. So if you're investing, I would be saying that you will be little bit you should be waiting out. So if you see this trend line, still it is intersecting and going down. So if suppose the market will go down, definitely it's going to touch its 200 moving average, so 4.5%, like 5,576. The more chance that market will going to come here, if things not be in a positive trend. Well, if you see here also the RSI is also going down. It is already intersect the average RSI is going down with the VIX. If you see the VIX, what we can able to understand that. So VIX is going up. It is a straight way indicating that there's a more fall coming up in the market, and fall could be big. So make sure if you're investing, book your profit. And I just said, if you want to hedge, you have two options like gold and silver is there for you, and do your all research by yourself. But I'm just sharing my studies with you. Like currently this is 19.61, and there's a more chance it can able to be a 23.59. So if you want to see like how like next section, how could be the next section could be. So next section could be the VIX is up. The future is also down like 0.37. So more chances like market will be down by 1.5% or might be 1% definitely there will be a down in the market next session. So again, what could be the market? So market is able to reach very easily able to reach around 5700. There will be next session it could be. So if you're investing at current, I would be guiding like you should be wait, you should do all your profit bookings, and if you want to hedge your stock, you can do your own research with the gold and silver. It look quite positive currently to invest in. Well, thank you. Next session, I'm going to share with you like currently which stocks we should be buying. Is I think it's not the right time to select a stock. It's better to be, to be in a safe side and to do all your profit booking and keep your cash in that. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much.